The legal battle between the International Society for Krishna Consciousness and the Port Authority of New York and New Jersey over the Society's expressive activities reached the United States Supreme Court in two cases, both decided the same day. In International Society for Krishna Consciousness versus Lee, the court considered airport regulations prohibiting soliciting for contributions in airport terminals. We'll call that decision the solicitation case. And in Lee versus International Society for Krishna Consciousness, the decision we now consider, the court considered a ban on distribution of literature within the terminals. We'll call this the distribution case. In it, the court applied the same constitutional principles as in the solicitation case, yet came to a different conclusion. Walter Lee was the police superintendent for the Port Authority, responsible for enforcing its regulations at the authority's three major airports, Kennedy International, LaGuardia, and Newark International. The authority's regulations prohibited soliciting money or distributing literature within the terminal buildings. Solicitation and distribution were allowed on the sidewalks outside the terminal buildings. The terminal buildings included facilities for airline passengers and airline staff to interact, and also included retail space, restaurants, and bars. The Society sued, alleging that the regulation deprived the Society of its First Amendment rights. The district court ruled that the airport terminals constituted a traditional public forum, so the authority's regulations violated the First Amendment. The Second Circuit upheld the solicitation ban, but also held that the distribution ban violated the First Amendment. The Supreme Court granted cert.